super hard all year, and they are really pumped up because they are going to start tomorrow taking some really important tests that they are going to rock for the next couple of weeks. So let's hear it for the third course of victory. So keep your eyes open because we are going to do some fun things this afternoon. We are really proud of all the kids at the school and the hard work that they've been doing this year. And I just want to hear everybody say, hey! I want to hear you say, oh! I want to hear you say, rock that test! Wallace, she's going to lead us in our school song. Just like nobody takes those tests better than our kids. Are you ready? Here we go. We belong, we encourage, we accept. We belong. You've been doing an awesome job this year. Our hallways are quiet for the most part, and you're walking in a straight line. Raise your hand if your class has won Hallway Heroes this year. Raise your hand if your class is going to win Hallway Heroes in the next 2 months. All of you? Well, we have a little surprise for you that we didn't tell you about in the beginning of the year. We will be doing a drawing. Do you know what a drawing is? We will be putting, for all of our classes that have won Hallway Heroes, we're going to put your name in a drawing for every time you've won. So for some of your classes that have won 3 or 4 times, your name will go in 3 or 4 times. But everybody that wins will get their name in the drawing, and we will draw out two classes. And Mr. Agler has agreed that those 2 classes will get a pizza. If you have not won, you have 2 more chances to win. So everybody needs to try their hardest.
So the reason we're mainly here is because of MCAs, and for kindergarten through 2nd grade kiddos, you know that that's that big test that 3rd through 5th graders are taking, and we'll talk more about the posters later, but they look beautiful. Part of us supporting each other during the testing is being respectful and quiet in the hallways, so it's never been more important to be hallway heroes until this week, okay? This is a really important time. And I was telling my 2nd graders that next year when they're 3rd graders, they're gonna really need the 2nd, 1st, and kindergartners to be quiet for them when they're taking the test. This also includes during the lunchtime, those hungry hallway heroes, which I know lots of you have been working on. It's so important that you're just staying quiet throughout the day. And I know we're not always testing, but you never know when someone's in a room trying to concentrate. Okay, so please keep up the excellent work, and let's keep racking up those compliments and keeping our halls nice and quiet. Okay, our next speaker is Mrs. Virgin. Where are you?
MCA time, it's not that bad. Just think of the instruction you've already had. In kindergarten and grades 1 and 2. Teachers started way back then to help you. Now you're in the grades 5, 3, or 4. Think of all you've learned and doing more. You know so much. Be confident. When somebody asks you how it went, you can tell them that's it. It's for fun. You can tell them that's it. It's for fun. I read it very carefully, but it's for fun. Teachers are credit for everyone. Doing what you know is really fun. Work so hard to be very best. I'm telling you now, you can have the next time.
Now, I know not all of you would hear the words to that rap, but it is teachers, you'll be getting that this afternoon, okay? Here's this right.
Gosh, I know if Mrs. Virgin was going to be that good, I would have prepared something extra special. But all I know is I've got a feeling that the hallways are going to be quiet next week. And I got a feeling the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders are going to rock their tests next week. Are going to get a good night's sleep this week, and they're all going to get a good breakfast each day. If Cottage Grove Elementary students take their tests, they will do the very best. Hey, what's going on out here? What is going on?
made those posters for you. So you know that everybody in school today those bags over there? There's a bag for every classroom. Sit down, please. There's a bag for every classroom. And in that bag is lemon drops, mints, sharpened pencils, and in your pods there will be bottles of water. So for every test taker, you'll get treats. Okay?